To access the list of functions with assigned keyboard shortcuts, click the Open Header Panel button located at the upper right corner of the toolbar to expand the header. Then, select the Show Keyboard Shortcuts button. A pop-up window will appear, displaying the functions available within the digital pathology workflow that have assigned keyboard shortcuts, along with their corresponding keys. These shortcuts include essential operations such as navigating within a digital slide, opening the next or previous slide in the virtual tray, rotating a slide, zooming in and out, viewing the slide at predefined zoom levels, and fitting the slide to the panel. To request modifications to the default shortcut configuration, please contact System Administrator. Shortcut configurations are applied globally and affect all users.